Get ready because we're getting a first look at the new LEGO Ferrari Build and Race experience right here in Legoland Malaysia. Hi, welcome to Wonder Vibes Only. My name is Afie, and in this video, we're checking out the brand new Ferrari Build and Race attraction plus a peek inside the Legoland Hotel. A huge thank you to Legoland Malaysia for hosting us and making our first visit extra special. So if you're excited to check out the brand new LEGO Ferrari Build and Race attraction, then keep on watching and let's wander together.
Hidden in the room are the clues that will unlock the Monkey King's treasure box. How many orange bugs are there on the top bunk bed map?
1, 2, 3?
Three.
3, okay.
3. How many mummies on the bunk bed panel? How many mummies on the bunk bed panel? What's the bunk bed panel?
Is that a photo reference there?
This? What? What's the number on the cube game in your TV cabinet?
Is it this one? That's so cool! 5? Wait, what?
Yes. Oh.
5.
Yeah, 5. 2, 3, 1, 5. How many green lizard can you find on the floor?
Oh. 1.
Is there anything in there? This bit.
I don't think there's any here. Oh, there's 1, 2. It's like the head is like under the bed. Yay!
5 hours, but
Lego!
Lego.
So cute!
It's a doggo and a unicorn.
I think this is the for kids one. No, it's Animal Crossing. I want this because I play Animal Crossing. Good morning from Legoland Hotel, Malaysia. So I got here yesterday, stayed for one night because I'm going to be attending the media event for the new Ferrari Build and Race experience. But we got the morning free to explore the theme park a little bit before the event starts, so let's head in. Charles, look!
Asia's first LEGO Ferrari Build and Race attraction. Press the red. Welcome to the official launch of LEGO Ferrari Build and Race, a world-class collaboration between Legoland Malaysia Resort, Ferrari and the LEGO Group, and the first ever in Asia!
Thank you.
We didn't get a lot of time to, explore the theme park, so I think I need to come back. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe for more content just like this, and I'll see you in the next one.